everybody. Here's Roxy. So today, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm still got a lot of swelling, which is supposed to take up to 6 months to go away. Still got a lot of adjusting to do to the new way of life that will probably change as I heal some more. Just want to say real quick, thank you so much for all the prayers. You can feel it. You can feel it. I pray all the time, and it just, there's strength in numbers. So thank you so much. And today what we're going to do is I'm going to tinker. I've got some energy, and I have neglected the nursery. As you can see, the rug is courtesy of the fur babies, so that's just something that's always going to be that way. But what I'm going to do is show y'all the before. And first, before we start, little Colette has been retired. And what I mean by that is, if y'all kept up with me, I had an accident when I was trying to touch her up. I stripped her paint, and her hair was done by Marlin, and I tried to set the paint, and then her hair started to come out because of the heat. And so I touched her up again, and I love her to pieces, and I don't want to mess her up any further. So she will be a display baby only, because she means a lot to me, and I just want to keep her looking as cute as possible without further messing her up. Eventually maybe I'll have her redone, but not at this point in time. So anyways, that's a little word on Colette. She's still my sweetheart, but she will be staying right there for a good while. So anyways, the nursery. Well, as you can see, is absolutely a mess. And I forgot to show this in another video. This is from their Auntie Kimberly of Kimberly's Cocoon. She sent that along with some essential oils a while back, and I never did show it. Isn't that sweet? This is pretty imperfect, just like my auntie. And isn't that the truth? So I want to get that on one of the babies. I've got a lovely mess here. I've got a lovely mess there. A lovely mess there. Kimberly Shea is hanging out by the window. I've got a lovely mess there. I've got a mess in here. And I've got a mess over here. The closet, I still haven't finished going through that to donate. I've got one box in the hall that's ready to donate to a mother in need locally, and I still haven't went through this stuff. It's just been sitting here. So this is the before. So bear with me. I hope I have enough energy to get this done. I'm not going to go through the clothes today, but I will. This is the before, so let me do a little panoramic. Okay, mess, 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 Nanny McBee, mess, 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 Sweet Amara. So here we go. I hope I have the strength to do this, because good Lord, it needs to be done. Okay, so I'm still rocking and rolling on cleaning up the nursery, but I had to take a break because I just got Mr. Brendan changed. And this is a new little me outfit I got off of eBay a couple of weeks ago. And he doesn't care for the hat. He keeps trying to take it off, but he looks adorable. And he is one of my favorite weighted babies. He is weighted perfectly. Okay, back to cleaning, guys. Okay, real quick, want to show y'all. I got these from clearance at Bell's a while back, and I found them. They were half off of $5, so $2.50 a piece, and I'm so happy. Anyways, I got one more baby changed out, so let me show y'all. Sweet Robin, Daddy's girl, and she is wearing an outfit from her Auntie Herlanda. And she looks cute as she can be. She's all smiles. And she's getting ready to have her bottle and go down for a nap. So I'm going to give her her bottle real quick, and then I need to get back to the nursery. Okay guys, I'm a little worn out, but I did it. So here it is. I got everything put up. I did not get to go through the closet. That's gonna have to wait for another day. But if you look around, it's all nice and tidy. And it makes me feel so good because I've been kind of neglecting it just with everything going on. So here's their little station with all their bottles and diapers and changing table and their boxes of bows and shoes and all that. Little favorite rocking chair. They always fight over that. One gets in it, the other starts crying. And here is my infamous card tree. Get it to focus. And I've showed y'all Brendan and a mess of loveys under him. Kimberly Shea is having her afternoon snack before she takes a nap. She is having, what are you having, baby? She is having bananas and apples, and I need to cut those up for her. And we got my comfy chair, the boppy ready for feedings, another basket of toys. And let's see who we got over here. Oh, we got Nanny McBee. And when Nanny McBee is working, she's very quiet. Oh, she's rocking baby Amara to sleep. Look how sweet that is. So I'll leave them be. Here we got little Silicone Ava. You've seen Robin. And, oh, I gotta tell y'all, I am in love with those Suavenex, the European Suavenex pacifiers. Well, I've kind of got on eBay here and there looking for great deals. I'm looking for those. I don't know if those things are laced in gold, but I am not going to pay $29 for one pacifier. So, if any of y'all know where you can find them cheaper, please let me know, because I really love them and want to get them for Ava because she takes a full passy, the girl ones, and I'm just not going to pay $29 or $30 for a pacifier. So please, please let me know. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I can rest now. The only one I need to change out is Ava and Amara, and I'm going to take a good break before I do that. So take care, guys. God bless, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Now, don't y'all forget to like and subscribe.